There's more to choosing a college than finding the right major. You want to know your investment will pay off. Here's Danielle, a junior majoring in construction management and minoring in business administration. She's going to share how she found the total package right here at Penn College. Now that's what it's all about. Danielle, you're on.
Thank you, Alex, for that introduction. When I was younger, I always had the encouragement of my family and the opportunity to help my parents around the house with projects here and there. By the time senior year of high school rolled around, I was looking for colleges that could offer me an education in what I love, construction. After meeting the faculty and students and feeling their passion for what they worked on, I knew that Penn College was the college for me. The hospitality is unmatched, and the willingness of everybody to help you succeed is incredible. Penn College has so many great resources for current and incoming students. There are scholarship opportunities available, and it's as easy as filling out one form. Career Services here on campus helps to organize career fair pop-ups, bringing employers from all over to speak to the students. Opportunity is always awaiting. They also have other career resources available, from interview help and resume checks to business card development assistance. We are known for our hands-on education both in and out of the classroom. You'll have every opportunity to attend lecture and complete labs, then turn around and go on field trips and experience your trade in a real-life scenario. Personally, being in construction management, I have learned a new level of professionalism and communication skills. That's me. Back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Danielle. I love hearing stories like yours and how you knew from such a young age exactly what you wanted to do. Sounds like there's incredible support here at Penn College for students like you and for those who need a little more direction. Thanks again for sharing your story. Take care, Danielle.